Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Nick Flowers, and this is my intro for EDL 951. A little bit about myself. This is my seventh year in education. I've currently been in the same position for the last 5 years. I'm a seventh grade social studies teacher at Reno Valley Middle School in Reno County, which is in Hutchinson. Uh, like I said, this is my fifth year here. Before here, I was in Winfield, Kansas. I currently coach three sports: football, I'm a middle school coach; wrestling, I'm the head high school coach; and baseball, I'm an assistant high school baseball coach. Um, I do teach social studies. I finished one master's degree in instructional design. That's awesome program. Loved the fact that it actually got me to completely change my teaching style. Uh, and I'm currently finishing my second master's, which is in administration. A little bit about my family. I have been married now for 2 years. We have three wonderful children. One is 8, one is 6, and one is 5 months old. Uh, Man, can't believe 5 months, and then actually about to be 6 months. We have lots of pets in our house. We have 5 dogs, a cat, fish, and who knows what else gets brought home each day. But we are a very big family, big, loud, and obnoxious family, but we have a lot of fun. Um, from my reflection, our district, we're pretty well built. We have a superintendent who's been here with us for 4 years. That being said, she's currently on a military sabbatical as she's working her promotion within the National Guard and working towards major rankings. Um, that being said, we have a interim superintendent who is awesome, has been involved in multiple districts as a superintendent. Uh, in my experience over the last few years, we our superintendent's awesome. She collaborates openly with our principals. She'll come in and talk to staff. If she thinks a sports program has a question, she'll go directly to those coaches and she'll work with them. She's very open. She's very involved in community outreach. People know who she is. Um, Overall, she is an awesome administrator, and she shows exactly what a good administrator should do with being involved in our district. Um, Along with that, we have multiple building principals. We have two elementary schools. One principal is in her first year. Prior to this year, she was an assistant principal. We have the other elementary, which has been there for 4 years now. Before that, she worked in schools as a teacher. Our middle school principal has been in our building for over 7 years. Uh, Before that, he taught social studies. He's a awesome administrator, awesome leader, and has truly shown me what a leader should be. He's in my building personally. Um, and a high school principal has been there for over 6 years. Again, highly involved, highly capable of doing what he's supposed to. And what I'm going to say is they're highly visible within the building. Our principals are constantly out. All the students know who they are. They know that when they walk in the room, the class doesn't change because our leaders are in the class so often that the teachers don't act different, the students don't act different. It's just another day at the work. They're highly involved with our students. So when we have sporting events at the high school, you're going to see our principal and assistant principal at them. If you have games at the middle school, our principal is at like everything. Um, Parent organizations, they attend those meetings. They're just highly involved overall. Um, Critique of myself, honestly, I don't have a lot of experience as a building leader. Obviously, I've been teaching and I've been a head coach, so I have that experience. But overall, I feel like I'm lacking, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and learning, so that way I can become better at it myself. My plan is to take the opportunities to learn from all of our assignments that we're going to do this semester. Have my assignments linked to my leaders because I want to actually get hands-on experience, and I'm going to be working with them, trying to get myself prepared. Because even though I might not want to be an admin right away, I want to have experience and be ready. And I'm going to continue to research and plan for my own growth. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day, and good luck in the class.